it's Bree with Califia Candle Co. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. It has been a little bit since I've uploaded a new video, so I'm excited to get back into the swing of things today. I'm going to be doing a studio vlog, just kind of taking you along with me as I work on a few different things today. So I hope you enjoy. You want to say hi? Monday vibes. Somebody's not having it today. You too? You guys are just having the Monday blues. Okay, so I do have a couple orders to pack, which I'm gonna do here first, but I did want to tell you guys I poured some testers with the new AccuBlend 21 wax. I just cannot stop testing all of these new waxes. I don't know what is wrong with me, but I've again seen people raving about this wax and it just intrigued me. I tried to avoid it for a while and then I eventually just let curiosity get the best of me. But I have to thank my friend Terry for sending me some of this. She is so generous and kind. I was talking with her about it and I said I was going to order some to try, and she was so nice and said, don't order some, let me send you some of mine. So I poured some testers yesterday, and the cold throw is already 10 out of 10. Supposedly this has a shorter cure time, but I'm gonna probably let them cure for a week before I burn them. But oh my gosh, so far, really impressed. So I have 2 orders to pack. I'm just wiping these down with some alcohol to make sure they're nice and clean. And I will show you guys how I package my candles now, because I have changed it since the concrete candles. So now I have these little muslin bags that I got from Amazon. I do have them linked down below if you're interested, but they fit these 7-ounce candles perfectly. So I just slip them in there and pull on the drawstrings, and there they are packaged in that cute little bag. Initially, I was thinking of using the eco wrap around the candles and then putting them in the bag, but it didn't fit. So what I do is I just put the honeycomb paper around this bag, and it just kind of adds extra cushioning. And then the room sprays, I was thinking of also packaging these bags, but I decided to just leave them as is and just wrap the honeycomb paper around them. So now we are ready to box these up. So everything else in terms of my packaging method is the same, except for just what the candle itself is wrapped in. But I'm still using the peanuts. I make sure that they're all along the sides really tight so that that candle has extra cushion everywhere. I do not want it to move in this box because that is how we ensure that it's not going to break. And they ordered a Hermosa candle, so I'm gonna give them a T Street wax melt sample. Oop, we lost a peanut. And I want peanuts to be kind of overflowing out of this box. So we're gonna squish them down in there. Yep, I think that will be good. So I'm just gonna fold up their packing slip. So when I shake this, there's nothing. No movement in there, and that's how I know this is snug as a bug and it is not, hopefully, going to break in transit. was gonna go to the post office, and then I actually got a delivery that I was waiting on today, and I just had to open it because I'm so excited. It is from Hive Honey, more fragrance oils. I absolutely love their fragrance oils, and a few of them are just kind of random, and then most of them that I ordered are for either fall or winter. I'm trying to get a jump start on fall this year. I always say that I want to do that, and then I end up waiting till the last minute and everything feels really rushed. So I'm trying to start the fall process a lot earlier this year, just so I'm not overwhelming myself and pushing everything off until the last minute. So I've been ordering a lot of fall samples, and I cannot wait to smell these ones. I also got a larger bottle of their bourbon, strawberry, and vanilla. I have seen so many people rave about this fragrance oil, and I wasn't sure that I would like it because I typically don't go for gourmandy scents or like bakery scents. It's just not my jam, but I had to try it. So I ordered a sample of it maybe a month ago now. It is amazing, amazing, and I poured a candle with it. The hot throw is 10 out of 10, the cold throw 10 out of 10. It is such a good fragrance oil. I will say I don't really get too much of the bourbon. I definitely get the strawberry and vanilla more, but it is so, so good. So I had to get a bigger bottle of that. Okay, so these three here don't necessarily fall into the fall or winter category, but I was just curious to try them. So the first one here came recommended by my friend Carissa. This is Farmer's Market. I'm not gonna read all the notes to you guys because I don't wanna bore you. This is just gonna be a quick sniff. Oh, okay, that is a lot better than I was expecting. I'm not gonna lie, with the name Farmer's Market and seeing that there's tomato leaf in there, I was just expecting it to be more vegetable-like, I guess. But that is a really fresh and clean scent. Definitely reminds me of some type of candle you would want like in the kitchen or as a housewarming gift. I love that. Okay, the next one here is Coffee Latte. I'm very picky about coffee scents, so let's see. Oh, dang. That smells like you just walked into a coffee shop. Sometimes I find that coffee scents can be a little too artificial smelling and they kind of make me want to gag, but this one is really nice. Okay, love that. This third one here is Wild Mountain Honey, and I've been looking at this one for a while. I've just never ordered a sample of it for some reason, so I'm excited to finally see what it smells like. Oh my gosh. Dang. That is really nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, I definitely get the jasmine. Yep, jasmine in there. Honey, rose, lang lang, orange blossom, vanilla, and tonka. Oh, I have to smell it again. That is phenomenal. Just a really nice, light, kind of clean, fresh scent. Oh my goodness. Okay, so far we are 3 out of 3. Okay, so for the fall and winter ones, we have Winter Citrus Wreath. Okay. It's good. I definitely get the citrus notes that are in there, but it's not blowing me away. Then Vanilla Bean Noel. Like the coffee, I'm kind of picky about vanilla scents, so let's see. Oh. Wow, okay. That is a very doable vanilla scent for me. It's not overly sweet and it's not artificial smelling. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is a really nice vanilla. I love that. Vanilla, butter, cream, chocolate, musk, and sugar. Wow. Ooh, love that one. Okay, so next up we have Snickerdoodle. And like I said, I don't typically do bakery scents, but I thought about trying to do 1 or 2 this year just to kind of change things up. So let's go ahead and see. Oh. Okay. Definitely sweet, but not too overpowering. I definitely think it smells like a Snickerdoodle cookie. That is for sure. I like it. I don't love it. So moving right along, we have Cranberry Woods. Ooh, okay. Definitely get the cranberry in there. It's a very like crisp scent, I would say. What else is in here? Green grass, citrus, raspberries, violet, musk, and sandalwood. It smells really lovely. I like that. All right, up next, another bakery, banana nut bread. Oh, that one's on there tight. Oh, hold on. As somebody that makes a lot of banana bread and banana muffins, that is spot on. Holy moly, that smells exactly like banana nut bread. Wow. Ooh, okay. That is a definite option for a bakery scent for me. Then we have caramel apple crisp. Okay, I don't know if I'm loving this one. I definitely get the apple in there, but it's, I don't know, I feel like the caramel is kind of overpowering it. Apple peel, buttery notes, apple spice, maple sugar, caramel, vanilla, and musk. Yeah, I don't know. I'm on the fence with that one. Then we have autumn wreath. I was really excited to smell this one. Oh my gosh, that is just a typical fall candle. This is like my go-to. Ooh, cinnamon, spice, greenery, apple, cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, woody notes, and vanilla. Yeah, that is my ideal fall fragrance. All right, well, I think that this order was a win, that is for sure. All right, I am back from the post office, and now the plan is to start pouring some fall testers with the Hive and Honey oils that I just got in, and possibly a few other ones that I got in from Northwood and Dupe. So let's go ahead and get into it. So if you follow me over on Instagram, you probably already saw this, but I did upgrade my melter. TOAUTO so nicely sent me their 8-liter melter to try out, and I've really been enjoying it. It melts down the wax so fast. All of this wax melts down in like 20 minutes, so it really speeds things up. It does have a little dial over here for the temperature, and I do have it turned all the way to the max, and it does show the max temp of 212 degrees Fahrenheit. But I did find it to get up to 220, which is perfect because that is exactly what I want for my wax. So it really has been working out great. And one thing about this that is awesome is that the spigot hole, instead of being on the side like they are on the Presto pots, is actually at the very bottom of the pot here. This wax looks weird because I was transferring it from my Presto pot to this, but the hole is at the very bottom of this pot. So there's no tilting over the melter to try and get that last bit of wax out. It really just drains so easily through that bottom hole, and it just makes life so much easier. So I have these 8-ounce label ready jars from Candle Science that I'm planning on using for a new collection that is still in the works. I think they are so adorable. And obviously the Norden kit that I have is for the amber jars, so it doesn't fit these. But I do like using the wick centering part, the part that you put the wick in, to just kind of help stabilize it as I'm trying to place it down in here, because I do have to eyeball it. Ooh, I just had an afternoon cup of coffee, so I'm a little shaky. So these aren't going to be perfectly centered, but they're just testers anyway, so that's okay. And then I'm just going to use these little wick holders for these guys. If you guys were interested in this melter, they did give me a 10% off coupon to share with you all, so I will have it linked in the description, and then I'll have the coupon there as well. So feel free to check that out. So I just checked the temperature and we're at 120 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and weigh out my wax. I am gonna fill these a little bit more than halfway, not full, just because I'm wick testing these and I'm not sure if these are the right wicks and I don't wanna waste materials. So I'm gonna fill them about 60% full. Oh, I'm so used to turning the knob on my Presto pot. I have to get used to that. It is on this side now. And I'm doing 8% fragrance load. That is typically what I do these days. I find that that is just the right amount for me. So the reason I'm filling these halfway, or a little bit more than halfway, is because the middle of the jar is where it burns the hottest. So if you wick test for that point in the candle and it works well, chances are most likely it will work with a full candle. So you just kind of save on some supplies by doing it this way. So when I'm testing a new fragrance, I typically like to do this method. I'm also thinking a blend of these two would be really nice. So I might pour one later tonight, but as for right now, I think I'm going to head out and take the dogs on a walk because they're getting a little bit antsy. So not fall related, but I am going to be pouring a couple other testers here for different projects I'm working on. So I'm going to be using Spring in Soho from Dupe. This is a really amazing floral. I'm excited to put it in wax and see how it performs. And then I have a few here from Northwood. This came recommended from my friend Carrie. This is Spring Air. Really, really amazing scent. French Cade Lavender. Love that one. And then Casa Pacifica and Sun Dried Cotton. So I'm really excited to get these in wax as well and see how they smell and see how they perform. Alright guys, well I'm going to end this here. I'm just going to work on the computer for a little bit and edit this video, and you know, no one wants to see that. That's boring stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.